Good morning, Klatchies. It is Thursday, December 17th, and I am popping in here quick with a really quick little project for you. I'm sorry, we're a little late. I was on the phone with my boss from work and had to, we had to do some work coverage, so picking up some extra hours. It's all good. You know, life is good. So it looks like Santa's studio in here, or Santa's workshop in here without all the little magical elves to clean it up. It's kind of a little chaotic. Good morning, Nancy. Good to see you. Good morning, Elizabeth. Yeah, so I've got a real simple little project here for you, and you know, that I gotta get off and finish up these projects because this morning, or actually 11:30, I have to be at a friend's. You know how I was telling you yesterday about the cook. We don't do a cookie exchange, we do a crafty exchange. So it's less calories and a lot of fun. So I need to finish up my little projects. I do have all my little lip balm and hand sanitizers projects done. So now I'm going to show you the real gift. So good morning, Joan. Let's flip you guys around and get you started. I have schnibbles of tape everywhere because I have been working like a little rabid elf here. So here is what I am doing. So yes, we did my giftables class last week, and I had planned on doing a coffee cup holder. These were in the holiday catalog, and they were really super cute. So I ordered a bunch so that we could do a project using these little coffee carriers. And unfortunately, they were on back order at the time. So they came just on Monday. Perfect timing for this project, not so perfect for my giftables class. So I am going to show you what I'm going to do with this little gift holder and my project. So I am going to go ahead. I used the Heartwarming Hugs Designer Series paper, and I used some real red cardstock. Now, note to self and anyone else that's out there, you know that old adage, measure twice, cut once kind of thing? Let's add measure twice, make sure you're awake, and then cut. And ask me how I know that, because this morning when I went ahead and cut all 13 of my little pieces for my project, they are exactly an inch short, wouldn't you know? So I had 26 of these, and I really should have had something halfway in between. So I was able to make do with what I had. I just simply went ahead and I'm using 13 of these, and then I'm going to cut another 13 of those. So my boxes are wrapped. I just got to finish up the project. So let me finish this, and then I'll explain a little bit more about this. So yes, this was going to be one of my giftables projects, but unfortunately, the coffee carriers did not arrive in time, and I almost think, I'm 98% positive that they're already sold out again. So they were super popular because they are super cute. So what I'm doing is I am just simply wrapping my coffee carrier. Oh, good gravy. See, some days it just doesn't pay to get out of bed. I want that a little bit further. All right, so I'm just wrapping it. I did put my Stamp and Seal. I could use the Stamp and Seal Plus if I wanted to, but I did put tear tape on the ends because I wanted that to also be, you know, super sticky. All right, let's use my bone folder to kind of burnish that down and make sure that it stays. Okay, so I put adhesive along here and then tear tape on here because the ends are usually what would have a tendency to flap up. So, all right. All right. And then I'm just going to use that longer strip because yes, measure twice, make sure you're awake, and cut once so that they're the right size. All right. Okay. All right, so then what I've got is a cute little, this one goes in first, second, and third. And so what I've got is this adorable little coffee holder. Super cute. It's actually fairly sturdy, which is, you know, kind of fun. You can put a multiple of, you know, plethora of things in there. We had those cute little coffee cups that we have in stock as well. But what I'm going to use mine for is I went ahead and I made beer bread. I've got a recipe for you know, beer bread. So I put that in a cello bag, tied it up, and it fits pretty well in one side. Now, I have to make a little tag, and here's the funny part. You know, we talk about the Sarah factor. You know, if something's going to go wrong, it's going to go wrong to me. So I ordered, you know, spinach dip to, you know, because I was beer bread with spinach dip, and that was going to be my little gift. So I ordered literally a pound of spinach, you know, mix. So I was going to make these cute little packets with the little 2x2 or 2x3 Ziploc bags. Let me show you what those look like. I have those. They're, you know, I have them for when I do my classes and stuff. Well, I don't have any right here at the moment. I think I brought them into the house so I could package them up. Ah! Yeah, wouldn't you know, I don't have one. So it's a smaller version of this, just a little 2x3 Ziploc bag, and I was going to add the spinach dip there. And so yeah, that was my plan. Well, I was tracking the, you know, because the UPS, the postal service is totally swamped right now, and I get it. Everybody is shipping their product, you know, shipping stuff, presents, you know, cards, whatever. So I understand that they're behind. I get it. So yeah, I have a pound of spinach dip mix coming at some point, and so everybody that I know is going to have spinach dip from now until, you know, 2023. So I had to go ahead and make my own spinach dip. I found a recipe. I dehydrated the spinach, because where do you find, you know, dried spinach? So this is my little project. So I'm going to attach my spinach dip here and add a little tag. You can either do beer, or I was going to, because it's a church event and I thought I better behave, you can use this with ginger ale or you know, 7-Up, either one. So it's going to be my Sarah's not so beer bread, and you can go ahead and add that. So I've got little spinach dip packets and a little tag, and I will, once I design that, I will have that on there for you as well. So that is my cute little project. And again, we did these yesterday. They were the little, so they're going to have two little projects for my crafters gift exchange. You guys, it's been a lot of fun, and I would highly recommend, you know, at some point, you know, trying one of these. You know, they have soup and sandwiches, you know, soup and bread, and do a little gifters exchange, and it is super fun. Less calories than a cookie exchange, and way more fun. So everybody, you know, has different strengths, and this was supposed to be mine. I've had to punt, but you know, it's going to turn out cute. I think next year I am going to simply do cards. I wanted to be, you know, kind of somewhat original, so I didn't do cards. I know I have an entire drawer full of cards that I could certainly have wrapped up, but oh well, that's next year. This is this year, and everybody needs a little bit of not so beer bread. So thanks again, Stampers. You have a great day. We will chat tomorrow. Watch your newsletter today. That's one of the things I have to get out for you today, so that if you want to do the stamp along, you know, the follow along Friday, you can get those cut as well. So thanks again, peeps. Toodles.